Hey guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today I'm going to show you an awesome tool that you're probably going to need to do any type of basement renovation, and especially if you're framing up some walls and stuff like that. Now there's other things you can use as well, but I'm going to show you this tool. If you're doing any type of basement renovation, maybe it's your first time and you're putting some walls up and stuff like that, you'll definitely need this tool. You can also use, I think, like a concrete screw, but this uses a nail type function. And yeah, this is the way to go. And for the price, can't be beat. Alright guys, so we'll take a closer look here. This is a Ramset. It's a power fastening system, and this is a hammer shot. That's what this model is. And you can see kind of right there. So basically, that's what it looks like. It's for 50 bucks. Honestly, that's going to be your, it's an awesome tool. I think this is like $47 at Home Depot. Now in the States, prices may vary a little bit different, but here in Canada, it's about $47, $48. Can't be beat. And since we're putting in some replacing some of the bottom sill plates there, we needed that to fasten down to the concrete. I'm sure we could use other methods, but this is the way it was fastened originally. And for the price, this is an awesome little tool that it's probably going to save you a whole lot of time and whatnot. So the next thing you're going to have to buy are these cartridges, and you can buy a box of 100, and there's different colors. I'll show you real quick. So this is a Ramset 22 caliber. And then it tells you what it's for: a trigger shot, hammer shot, or a Ramset master shot. This is what you can use this for. There's different colors. I think there's red might be the number 5. I think there's like a blue and a green, and maybe a black. I can't remember. But this is a yellow package, and it's recommended for this type of concrete installation. Now some of the different colors is going to be for like masonry work or putting into like a brick or something like that. So just kind of look at what you're going to be fastening something to, and get the appropriate size, because there's different levels of gunpowder, and some are going to be stronger, so there's probably more gunpowder. Other materials are going to be weaker, so there's going to be a little bit less. So that's how they modify it and give you a scale of kind of what to follow. So basically, this is a 22, exactly what it says. It's 22 caliber. It's basically like a hunting rifle, 22 caliber, but it's a blank. So what that means is there's no bullet at the end of this. This is just a cartridge filled with gunpowder, and once you, it's a rimfire type thing. So once you hit it, it's going to ignite it and then it's going to shoot this nail through the board and into the concrete. This little end here is just a spacer, and it just keeps it at appropriate height or whatever. So, all right. So I'm going to show you guys how this works. My battery is going to die again here shortly. Okay. So I'll just kind of redo that. So you just pull on this barrel, pull it forward, just like that. We're going to take our cartridge, place it in there, just like that. And we're just going to close it. See, there's a line here. We're just going to close it pretty much just like that. That's fine, because it will kind of kick up a bit. Then after, I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. Don't put your head over it or anything like that. And we're just going to slide that in. And then when you're ready, basically this is how it goes. And then you hit this tip, and it's going to fire the shot, and it's going to be fairly loud. So don't forget, when you use this type of equipment, always have some eye pro and ear pro on, so some type of earmuffs or something like that, and some type of safety glasses, just in case anything comes flying up. Sometimes that tends to happen, especially if you're nailing not directly into a 2x4, but like a thinner material that concrete can fly up into your face. So you always have to take your safety precautions and be very, very careful. So you're going to hold that, it's got your grips there, you're going to hold it just like that, hold it down, and with your other hand you're going to take the hammer and you're going to hit the top. And you got to hit it quite hard. I'm going to show you guys in a second here. Now there's other tools just like this, guys. Ramset. They make like a gun style looking one, and you pull a trigger and it does the same thing. But when pulling the trigger, it just acts as like, we'll call it like a gun, and it does the hammering, and there's a pin in there and it hits it and it fires the blank round, and all the gases go down the tube, which forces the nail into the 2x4 or whatever it is, into the concrete or brick or mortar or whatever. So that is how that works, guys. There's other tools, but again, this one's about this one is $47 or $48, whereas the one with the trigger, it's about $150 or something like that. So this is definitely a more affordable DIY type tool, and I think this is a budget-friendly device to be able to get some of your walls up in your house in the basement on budget. So these, I can't remember how much these little cartridges are, but you get, I think it's a 100 pack, and I want to say like $10 or even less. The nails, so you can buy a big pack of, I think 100 or something like that, and you're going to pay, I don't know, 25 bucks. But we got a pack of 25, and I think we paid like $8 or less. But I'm going to put all the prices and all that stuff in the description, and the links to the homedepot.ca website to show you. And then if you're in the States, you can just copy that product name and just put it in homedepot.com or Lowe's or any other type of store that might carry this product, and find the best price and get the tool that you need for your job. So again, yeah, I can't remember exactly how much these were, but and same with the nails, but I know how much the tool was, and I know for probably less than 75 bucks, 70 bucks all in, you know, we're able to put down a bunch of boards. Now if you're doing a whole basement renovation, I would suggest getting probably the 100 pack, because I got the 25 pack and I just had to put in a couple boards. That was the smallest pack available, and that's what we needed. And then we got a couple extra for whatever. I've already got a couple boards in, nails in. I'm going to show you real quick, and then we're going to show you guys how to do it and how much pressure it takes to actually get this nail in. Alright, so I'll show you a couple examples. So here we got it buried in pretty good. This one here, it went through. Yeah, so this one was pretty good. That one went through. I'll show you another example that didn't go in all the way, but right here, this is an example that it didn't get the hammer in all the way into the ground, but it's still in there and still quite good. This is probably a perfect example how it should be, but again, all of these cartridges are probably made, they're all in a factory and stuff like that, so the amount of gunpowder for each one might be just slightly off, but I guarantee they're within a certain specification and everything will should be alright. Now these were some of the ones that were in before. That one is pretty perfect. That one's pretty good too. And yeah, so let's get some hit in, and so you hold it just like that, and I'll show you a not strong enough hit. It didn't go off. Didn't go off. There we go. That's how you know it went off, and everything turned out perfect. Alright, so we'll go to the next one. Don't forget, guys, always wear your hearing protection and your eye protection. Okay, so here's the thing is, after you take your shot out, you pull the barrel forward and it kind of pushes that out a bit. And if you pull it out real quick, it'll just fall out and in your hand. Again, to put one of these in, just put it in the hole, close it up. Put your nail at the end of it, put that in. And we're going to hit it hard, and it should go in first try. Oh, maybe not. Oh. There we go. I have been getting the first try, guys, quite a bit, but sometimes you got to hit it a couple times for it to go in. Don't be scared. It's a very basic tool. It's a great tool to have, especially if you're doing like putting all your walls in the basement and stuff like that. I definitely recommend that tool for the price. That's definitely going to help you a great deal, and it is an awesome, amazing tool to use. Now, don't be afraid. You got to hit it a couple times. Don't be afraid about it. Just hit it, and that's why there's a big top. So if you accidentally kind of miss, you're going to hit the plastic top, and you got to hit that right on the top, and it will fire. Don't be afraid to use it. It's not going to hurt you. Just hold it down to the ground, hit it. When you hit it, you're pushing all that force down anyways, so it's not going to do anything. It's not going to go anywhere. Just hold on to it. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's super easy. I just wanted to do that quick tool review and something that you could use, and also showing you how to use it and how we use it in our part of our renovation. So if you like this kind of stuff, guys, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe, and don't forget, you can always share and like and leave a comment down below. Well, that's it for today, or for this quick video, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, never stop learning.